Part 9b of our Indian Constitution. In this Part 9b articles deals about the societies, cooperative societies. So in this cooperative societies, Article 243 ZH2, 243 ZT deals about the cooperative societies, establishment of cooperative societies, existence of cooperative societies, and number of boards, etc. Deals about the cooperative societies. Article 243 ZH explains definition of cooperative societies. It explained in detailed manner definition of cooperative societies. Article 243 ZI in cooperation of cooperative societies. So almost all the cooperative societies must be run with cooperation of cooperative societies. That was explained in this article 243 ZI. And article 243 ZJ number and term of members in board and its office bearers. Generally, so once they were elected through elections for the cooperative societies, they may continue as members or secretaries, etc. Up to 5 years. After completion of their duration, new members may come to power. That is cooperative that may be run according to the cooperative rules and regulations. And Article 243 ZK. Article 243 ZK. Election of members of board. What is the procedure to election of members of board? Cooperative societies members. That is explained in this article 243 ZK. Article 243 ZL. Suppression and suspension of board and interim management. Suspension of board, suspension and interim management. So in different situations, management board may be suspended. Again, government may call for new cooperative societies members and board. It may be formed according to the rules and regulations. And 243 ZM audit and accounts of cooperative societies. That is explains about the audit and accounts of cooperative societies. According to Constitution, whatever association or cooperative association formed by the according to Constitution, they must run according to the audit rules and regulations. They have to show they must show their audit reports for annual year for the definite financial year without approval of the auditor, internal auditor, external auditor. So there is no possibility to run these cooperative societies. That must be under the audit rules and regulations. Article 243 ZN convening of general body meetings. Convening of the general body meetings. Who may be presided these cooperative meetings. They call for meetings and conducting of meetings that may be run by the cooperative chairman. It may be presided by the cooperative chairman. So, and Article 243 ZN. ZN convening of general body meeting, and 243 ZO right of a member to get information. Right of a member to get information. Whoever member in a cooperative society, they are having right to get information from this cooperative society. What is going on this cooperative society? Whatever meeting may be conducted, which is essential to seek information from the cooperative society, that must be providing to the respondents or members. That is necessary. Article 243 ZP returns. This was explained about the returns of which is going to be submitted by the cooperative society. That was explained by Article 243 ZP. Article 243 ZQ. Article 243 ZQ. Offences and penalties. Offences and penalties. Offences and penalties. If any member cooperative board may be faced offences or corruption offence or civil offence, any civil offence that is going to be considered by the superiors, and they must be punished according to the rules and regulations, and some penalties may be imposed on them. They must pay penalties, and they may be terminated, they may be suspended from their services because their offense and their offense, if it may be proved. And Article 243 ZR, application to multi-state cooperative societies. Article 243 ZR, application for multi-state cooperative societies. Multi-state cooperative societies. If any cooperative society may be existed according to the Constitution, it can form this sub-branch may be another state. So it may be interlinked to the several states. It may be interlinked to the several states, not only single state. It is relating to the more than one state. That is multi-state cooperative societies. They can run and they can maintain audit rules and regulations, and they can get betterment of this cooperative society according to the Constitution. And according to Article 243 ZS, application to union territories. So according to Constitution, union territories also they can form their own cooperative societies, and they can maintain, and they can conduct elections to the cooperative societies, and they can form their own board to get betterment of the cooperative society. So according to this Article 243 ZS. And Article 243 ZT, continuance of existing laws. Whatever laws existed in this cooperative societies, these laws may be continuous and continued according to the Constitution, rules and regulations. That was clearly explained in this Article 243 ZT.